This clip's going to look at DNA. And DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's the chemical that is responsible for information storage in the cell. So your genes are made out of them, and proteins are coded in the order they are as a result of DNA. DNA consists of a long chain of 4 different chemicals. These chemicals are called nucleotides or bases. The 4 different bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. They have a particular shape, and this will become important when we look at the next step. And as per usual in biology, shape matters, and shape matters a lot. Now these bases can only pair in certain combinations. So adenines can only pair with thymines, and cytosines can only pair with guanines. So you can have them both way around inside the helix. As we'll see in the helix, inside the base pairs are formed. And you can only have these base pairs. And this allows you to predict what the other strand of a DNA strand is going to be. And when you look at it a bit further, it will explain how DNA can replicate and keep itself the same every time. So these base pairs will form an integral part of the familiar double helix structure of DNA, which is what I'm drawing now. The double helix consists of 2 strands, each with a backbone in red here, and base pairs in the middle. And the base pairs is one base is on one strand, the other base is on the other strand, and they hold together in the middle. And that's what holds the 2 strands together. You have a lot of DNA inside your cells. Each cell contains about 2 meters of DNA wrapped up into your chromosome. And that means there's an awful lot of base pairs, and you actually have about 3 billion base pairs. And these base pairs are what will become your genetic information. And we'll see in a second how the base pairs influence protein production and protein sequence. As we saw in the last module, the sequence of base pairs in DNA determine the sequence of amino acids in a protein. And every 3 bases make 1 amino acid, or code for 1 amino acid. If you change the sequence of DNA, you change the amino acids, and that's what mutations are.